But that's fair to define minimum standards. You're already doing some of them.
Right. So let's talk about the minimum standards that are, geared towards basically you feeling motivated and you working towards success. And these minimum standards are things that if all you do are these 3 to 5 things every single day, you're going to have a fantastic real estate career. And I know you're going to think we're oversimplifying it. No, you're just overcomplicating it. So let me drill down on that. Number 1, first of all, we definitely suggest some form of group exercise every single day. We talked about that the other day. It's a fantastic way for you to expand your centers of influence and past clients. We won't drill down on that too much now. Orange Theory, when we lived in Texas, was our favorite, but there's also a lot of other alternatives. Go to the same class, go to the same studio, the same workout facility every single day. And if you choose, again, I'll just repeat this. Go Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the 9 a.m. class. Go Tuesday and Thursday at the 11 a.m. class, or maybe the 5 p.m. class. But you have to go on a regular basis because you'll find other people have scheduled their lives around that same exact schedule. And over not too much time, you're going to get to know those people. You're going to be friends with those people. They're then going to become your centers of influence. So that's hidden.
Talk about real estate.
Yeah. And don't just wear your headphones. And I mean group workout. Don't just go, I go to the gym, Tim, I do my own thing. You walk around with your head down, with your earbuds on, not talking to anybody, doing your best to avoid eye contact with other humans. That's what you do.
I know I've had so many of them confess that. Oh, but Coach Julie, when I go to the gym, I want to drill down. I'm there to work out. Okay, that's fine. Do that with other people talking about real estate.
And right. So pony up, spend the nothing per month and join Orange Theory or some other similar organized group fitness type thing, because then you're going to be forced into interacting with other people while you're working out. And there's something that's natural that happens. It's very lizard brainy tribal sort of thing that when you're working out and you're under a lot of pressure and stress with other people and the endorphins are flying and the sweat is flying.
You're bonding.
You're bonding by accident.
And they instantly trust you because you've suffered with them.
Exactly. You're like them.
But commit to it. I think that's the main thing, is be committed to it. It's good for you physically, but it's also good for everything else.
So go to the gym every day. That'd be your minimum standard. And we're going to be business coaches here, so we're going to drill down on the business things.